Right here, right here. Coach Lodge, you got fat booty. Coach Lodge, right there in the middle.
Winning game ball. You guys are rock stars. We are the Gators and we have this season. Awesome. So proud of you.
It's good to be back, Gator Nation. I'm Logan.
And I'm Anthony.
And you're watching the Gator News.
So, if you're new here, welcome. This is a swamp. This is Island Coast. This is our home. This is our territory. This is our brotherhood, our sisterhood, you know, everything around.
And maybe you're a freshman or maybe you just came from far away. We want to welcome you to our Gator Nation.
And that's what we're all about here at the Gator News, giving you all the info you need to make your high school experience even better.
So without further ado, sit back, relax, put your conversations on hold, and get ready for the first episode of the Gator News.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? We have a special announcement. I think if you're anything like me, you want more school spirit here at Island Coast High School. Well, good news, here it comes. You might have already guessed, but this whole episode is revolving around this special announcement that, you guessed it, we're having a pep rally. Yeah! I'm excited, I know you're excited, so let's talk about what a pep rally looks like. First, it's gonna be this Friday. Again, it's this Friday and it is the last period of the day. Second, everyone needs to be wearing Island Coast gear, whether you have a hoodie or a t-shirt or whatever. Again, make sure you get to the school store. It's gonna be open all week. There are tons of different designs and sizes and prices, so make sure you get some gear. You gotta be wearing Island Coast gear at this week's pep rally. For some of us, we want to go way above and beyond with our school spirit. Maybe that's you. All right, so here's what we encourage you to do. Paint your face, wear a wig, wear a crazy costume. But there are a couple guidelines that we have to go over. The first one is this: no body paint. You can wear face paint, but not like body paint. Also, as far as costumes go, wear all kinds of crazy costumes. It really doesn't matter, but the one thing that does matter is that the costume is appropriate and not revealing in any way, shape, or form. We'll give you some examples in a second. Okay, so here's one. Crazy green hair. That's good. Crazy green bikini? No good. Crazy face paint? Good. Crazy body paint? No good. Random costumes? Totally fine. Skimpy costumes? Nah, not fine. Let's keep it classy. So make sure this Friday you're here all the way through the day, you're wearing your spirit stuff, and we're gonna have a battle for who has the most school spirit. It's gonna be freshmen versus sophomores versus juniors versus seniors, and the loudest, craziest school spirit filled class is going to win the spirit stick, which means you get bragging rights until the next pep rally. So again, that's this Friday. I'm pumped to see you there.
All right, y'all, here's what we know. If you're going home and watching 5 hours of Netflix or taking 4-hour naps, we absolutely have to get you plugged into something here at Island Coast.
That's right. There's a lot of clubs, sports, and activities that you could do around the school just to get you involved. So make sure you check with the Gator News and afternoon announcements just to be ready.
Yo, and you can always check out our school website too.
And so far from what we know, there's a gaming club meeting tomorrow at 1:45 to 2:45. So check out room 74 to get your permission slip so you can go to the meeting tomorrow.
And plus, there's a Key Club meeting if you ever want to get connected with people that change our community for the better. It's not this Wednesday, but next Wednesday. For the first meeting, they'll have ice cream. Who doesn't like ice cream? So go check out room 356 right after school.
Finally, if you want to become a cheerleader, tryouts are today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So make sure to bring it on.
Why do you know that?
anyway, make sure to get plugged in this year, and this is what really counts.
Well, if that doesn't get you excited to be here, I don't know what will. So Anthony, what are you doing for this pep rally? Are you painting your face? You getting all dressed up?
Well, I was thinking about shaving my eyebrows, you know.
What are you talking about, dude?
Well, I thought, since I'm excited for this new school year and show off my school spirit, I thought you looked more excited with a, no eyebrows in your face. It just makes you look like,
All right, well, you heard it here first. Anthony's shaving his eyebrow. Now, we don't encourage that, but we do encourage you to go follow us on Twitter so you can keep getting updates on school news and what's going on so you won't miss a thing.
And before we roll, just one last thing to say. Keep on chomping, y'all.